The way that we process light and sound is very different. Light travels to the back of our brain to create an image quicker than the sound does. We're not even experiencing the now. We're living in a historical time frame. When we went to Cognac and we met the team, we realised that in many ways what they're doing is blending time. It's very much a historical place in the sense that they have these vats that are hundreds of years old that make up the different eau de vie. They're like small time capsules that are combined in a very sort of delicate way to create the cognac. One of the things that we were talking about with Hennessy was light at a cosmic scale. When you think of the stars in the sky, these pinpricks of light, they exist in their own space and time, and some of them don't even exist anymore. Yet we still perceive them in our own space and time at a singular moment. We have 5 arms, each with an individual light source that have a sound associated with them. As they speed up, depending on what rhythm, it will create different types of chords, some harmonious, some discordant. So it's very unusual to see a cylindrical volume hovering in space that doesn't come from a singular point. You know, it's sort of defying physics, but it's an illusion. Science, like art, is really about asking questions. However, the difference is science is trying to answer a question. Art is about simply putting questions out into the world. When you think about things at an atomic scale, it's mind-blowing.